In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create reports on your chat and email conversations in HubSpot. These reports help you understand how your team is interacting with customers and give you insights into overall communication performance. First, log into your HubSpot account and navigate to Reports, then click on Dashboards. Here, you'll see an option to create a new dashboard. When you click this, you'll enter the dashboard library, where HubSpot offers default templates for chat and email overviews. To create a chat conversation report, select the Chat Overview dashboard. This dashboard comes with several pre-built reports that track conversations between your team and website visitors. You can customize it by unchecking any reports you don't need. After that, give your dashboard a name, choose the privacy settings, and click Create Dashboard. Next, to track email conversations, search for the Email Overview dashboard in the left panel. Like the chat dashboard, it includes multiple reports that show how your team is managing email conversations. Again, you can uncheck any reports that aren't relevant, name your dashboard, select the privacy option, and create it. Once your dashboards are set up, you'll have a clear view of both chat and email activity. This makes it easier to monitor performance, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions for your team. And that's it. That's how you can quickly create reports on chat and email conversations in HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.